All right, we're on to question 6 of 0654, paper 4-1 from winter 2017. We've got an electric doorbell situation. All right, draw a circuit diagram. Be careful. Again, I can't say this enough. I've seen people not pay attention to that command word. You have to draw something. Make sure you're drawing it. You've been asked to draw a doorbell in series with a switch and a battery. Use the circuit symbol for an electric bell. So you might not know this, but they're telling you how to do it. Okay, they're saying to you, you must use that. Now, I think a good practice to get into is when you've been asked to draw any circuits, is to draw the things that they're asking in turn. So they've said to you, switch, all right, draw a switch. They've asked for a battery, draw a battery. Now, in the mark scheme, if you look at this, I don't find this particularly helpful. They say to you, correct symbols. If we're being uber anal about this, that is a switch symbol. I think most people are okay with it. But what I'd be concerned about is that some people might have drawn a single one of these. A single one of these is a cell. All right. When you take multiple cells and add them together in this way, so I've done 3, you could do 2, more than 1, that is a battery. Right. I am not clear on whether CIE would allow a simple cell there. Draw multiple if you're not sure. You then need to draw your circuit according to instructions. They're connected in series. Well, we just need to get them in a loop. Okay. Use a ruler. I've got a little bump there. That's because my ruler had a bump in it. Not much I can do about that. Do not do this by hand. I can imagine people out there not enjoying looking at that if it's wobbly and therefore losing marks. Okay. Bell produces a sound when the metal hammer hits it. Okay. Describe how this makes sound. Well, sound is caused by vibrations. When I hit the metal, when I hit the bell, we're using the metal hammer, it causes the bell to vibrate. Okay. And therefore the air around the bell will vibrate and that will generate the sound. As long as you mention vibrating, you've got the marks really. Okay, so vibrating would be a key word. Oscillating would also be a good one as well. Alright, the next question was about heating. Now actually this is, sadly I think, something which has been taken out of the 0654 syllabus. Okay, this is a question all about calculating. There's loads of values here. If we come over here, you see how much work is required in here. All right, I am not going to go through this because it's not in our current syllabus. However, this is the working. If you're interested, pause the video, you can have a look. Okay. Regardless of this, you're asked to calculate a temperature. We've heated something up. Why might we not reach the temperature that you might calculate? Well, because there's energy losses. All right. The reason I'm pointing this out is because energy losses is a common thread in all of 0654, particularly paper 6. Okay, if you're doing a heating experiment, you will lose energy to surroundings, and therefore your air experiment will not work in the way that it's meant to.